Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to be using these new sticker sheets from PWM sticker subscription, along with my script washi, my Zig Clean color dot, and my Simply Smith script stickers. So let's go ahead and remove the pages so we can get started. There is so many things going on. So I did do an unboxing of all of the latest goodies that I received, and part of that was Casey's sticker subscription, and I am so happy with that. You get so many different sizes and styles, and her subscription kit is not kit, but her sticker subscription, if I can even talk, is all about florals. So if you guys are into florals and you absolutely love her florals, I suggest signing up for her sticker subscription, because you get a large size, you get a regular size, and then you also get a mini size along with this sheet to make it like a whole kit. So I'm super happy about that. She will also have other sticker sheets available if florals are not your thing. And then she actually put in these cute little freebies of some of the other sticker sheets that she also sells, but they are not included in the sticker subscription, because like I said, the sticker subscription is only going to be about florals. So if you guys want to purchase any other stickers, make sure that you guys use code Stephany15. That way you guys save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase, because I don't think you can use my code for the subscription, but you can definitely use it if you buy individual sticker sheets. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So I'm super happy about the sticker subscription. So I didn't add any washi, if you notice, because I definitely want to use these boxes. So I think that's where I'm going to start off first. I think so, because these might be like way too long. So I don't know, I might have to do some cutting. So see, they're going to be a little bit too long. So I'm going to cut these in half, and then I'll go ahead and place them down. All right, so there we are. So I went ahead and cut these two in half. That way I can make them the size that I want. And then I left this one the way that it is because it just filled up the space really well. So now I think, well, actually, before I add my script stickers, I also want to work on this little section. And I actually forgot to cover it up because I am planning to put a floral here. So it kind of ended up working out because I thought that I was going to add a box there and I didn't have enough. So there's only 6 in the kit, and it wasn't going to be enough to put another box in here. But I then remembered that, of course, I want to add a floral right there. So I am going to focus on the large sticker sheets for like deco here in this corner and over here in this box. And then I was thinking of using the mini sticker sheet to add like little details. And so what I mean by that is that I am going to end up grabbing this one right here and then place it over what we just covered so I can add my header. So I think maybe like, okay, I think I'm going to go up just a little bit. Okay, so maybe right there, and then which one could we use? Okay, I think I'm gonna end up using this one. So I love that she now has like a mini size for those like little details. I really like that. Okay, there we go. So now we can add our script stickers. So our to-do header is going to go just over the floral, like on top of it. And I love the way that that looks. So yeah, I almost forgot that this is what I wanted to do. So I kind of freaked out when I only saw that we had 6 boxes, but this definitely works out. So then our builder is going to go right over here. Perfect. And then Apple Watch is gonna go over here. So I cannot believe it is already made. Like, that is so I don't know. The year is just going by so fast, and I don't know what to do with myself. But the good thing about it being May is that it is going to be a fun-filled month because Go Get a Girl is doing all of the things. So reveal week, sneak peeks, not reveals, but like launch. So launch is gonna be May 30th, and I'll actually pop in a little photo right here that says all of the important dates coming up. You definitely don't want to miss those. So yeah, make sure that you guys save the date for all of these important dates. I am super excited. So Rach just actually went live right now, and she is going to actually give a sneak peek today of the new handbags that she has been working on for about 2 years, I want to say. So get ready for that sneak peek today on Monday. And then she is actually going to do the reveal of the handbag, which will come in 2 colorways. And so that reveal is going to be on Wednesday. And then Friday, she's going to reveal the collection name. And I am always here for the collection name. Her collection names are just like everything. She puts so much thought into them. And yeah, I really love them. So this is going to be a fun-filled week and just a fun-filled month. And also, don't forget to sign up for the waitlist, which I will have linked down in the description box below, because there's going to be like little sneak peeks in there, and then you're going to get early access and just so many good positive things if you sign up for the waitlist. So make sure that you guys do that. And I actually cut that a little bit too short. So I think maybe this should be good. So I'm just covering up this little section because that is where I want to place a floral. Okay, there we go. And I did pick up her first handbag, which was the Harper in the lipstick pink color. And I love that thing. I am obsessed with it. So I cannot wait to see her new handbags. I already know that they're going to be amazing. And I cannot wait to see the colors as well. And I believe this one is like an everyday carry because the Harper was definitely more like a work type of bag. So this one is going to be more like an everyday carry. So I'm also excited about that. Okay, so I want to lay this corner piece over here in the corner, and let's just trim off the little bit of excess that we have right over here. So yeah, I am filming this just a little bit before she actually does her little sneak peek. So I guess we'll just go ahead and regroup and talk about it in the next video. Okay, so there we go. Where's the page? So then I am loving this one right here. Okay, so as far as this one, it's just gonna go right there. So yeah, I love using the large sticker sheets in my Go Get a Girl. I just feel like it fills up the space so well, and I just really love it. Okay, so now that we have the corner pieces, I want to add my script washi, because florals and script washi, I just feel like that is like the perfect combination. So I just want to tear the top and the bottom so we get that jagged effect on all sides. So yeah, right there. Doesn't that look so pretty? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this washi tape. I seriously cannot get enough. At first, my go-to were the grid washings, and I guess they are, but when I want to use it decorative like this, I tend to gravitate more towards this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's looking so good already. I think what I want to do now is add my bullet points. So I went ahead and grabbed this one to pick up on the teal. I definitely wanted to do the pink, but if I'm being completely honest, I could not find it. So yeah, of course, my go-to is always going to be the pink, but I couldn't find it. So this one is going to match beautiful as well. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 4 down here. And now that I think about it, I'm actually glad that I didn't put the teal color down here, because that would have been too matchy. Okay, so we have this little scrap, and of course I want to use it, so I'm thinking that maybe we can do it here. No, I actually want to leave it alone. I think that's going to be okay. So now what I want to do is work on this little box area over here. Okay, so I'm definitely loving this one. So as far as this one, I'm going to maybe do something like this. And I want to use as much of it as I can, so I don't want to cut off too much. Okay, there we go. And then I probably, if I can even talk, it is so early right now. I believe it's like 9:30, so I'm definitely filming this like last minute. Okay, ooh, maybe over here. Oh yeah, I think I like it right here. Perfect. So I was going to do quotes right here, but what I think I want to do is use my washi strip. Just like a small little touch. I think that would look really pretty. And I've done it before, so yeah, I already know that I love the way that it looks. Okay, so yeah, maybe something like that. See how pretty that looks? Just so nice and delicate. So of course, I want to do it on the right-hand page. So this one is going to go right about there. Okay, so yeah, I am loving this. It is looking so pretty. So let's see. So we have the corners, we have the box. I don't feel like this is straight. And then we have our little florals over here in the header. Okay, perfect. So as far as this one, I think I may want to cut this one in half so I can add it over here. And then that way we have used most of our stickers in the large sheet, because we still have this one and we still have the mini one. And then we have, of course, boxes. So I am thinking of using these same florals in my plum paper vertical columns that I use as a social media planner. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. And let's grab my other little piece. I think this one got stuck. Okay. I just feel like I can decorate this area right here, because this is where my bills do go. And so I don't need a ton of space. So I'm able to decorate this little area right there. Okay, so yeah, that looks so good, right? Okay, I definitely think I am done with florals. You seriously don't need a lot or to add anything else. I just love how simple and pretty this looks. So yeah, I think I am done. Let's go ahead and put it back. Oh, and look, I went ahead and set up my planner with my new goodies from Live Love Posh and the items from Jane's Agenda's May sub box. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link my setup video down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in watching that, along with my unboxing of all of the Happy Mail that I received. So yeah, we are off to a great start for me. These florals are so beautiful, and that's why I wanted to do the unboxing, because I knew that I wanted to use new florals from Pleasantly Planned, and I was not wrong about that. I really love the way that this turned out. I love the teal color and just how simple, beautiful, and delicate that this looks. So I wish you guys a great start to the month, and hopefully we'll be back talking about all things Go Get a Girl now that we have kicked off a month full of just amazing things. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.